Government orders forensic audit into massive oil losses at Petrojam. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, wishy-washy. Opposition criticizes government's response to Petrojam audit.
A sector in crisis, renewed concerns about the future of the agriculture sector.
Fake rights, human rights groups and clergy challenge LGBT doctrine.
Not true. Family of murdered 65-year-old denies she was in a relationship with a 25-year-old district constable.
In business news, 138 student living in the red.
And there's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the measures announced by the Prime Minister today in response to the issues of corruption, nepotism and mismanagement at Petrojam and covered by the Auditor General?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.